traders. We're looking at the Dow here. So we had a very small move in the early part of the week, and then yesterday on the Fed day we dropped down to this major support level and shot into that weekly pivot, the 169 number. We pulled back 50 points, and so far we've got 25 minutes left on the clock until the Dow close, and then we are just sitting on this resistance. Tomorrow I've got triple witching, so we could test the 17,000. There's a weekly pivot up there at 17,072. So if we break this high, we may push back up. So any pullback into that level there may well be worth buying. Let's look at oil. Oil spent another week just selling, and we dipped under yesterday's level and got bought. So this moved to just within 12 points of the big 105 number, a massive pivot there, and then slammed into 106.35 area, which was resistance from this bar here. Okay, so these are measured moves, which is typical of these big markets, big as in volume. Okay, and let's look at the US dollar yen first. Talked about this holding and getting into 102. This is probably one of the best charts out there right now, because I think if that breaks 102, we could see anything between 102.50 and ultimately longer term 105. Breakout. If we bump into this and roll over, obviously then we could be coming down back to parity. But I think if we break this, we could start to wind our way up over the next few weeks or months into 105. Okay, so watch out for that and take it easy. Pound yen has broken up at this major level of resistance pending for a while. We've broken up to it, so any pullbacks to this level here, which is 350, is potentially viable to see if we can get up to 175. Non-US, same story. 170 is a big number for a pullback. Euro is a different story. We may come back and retest that pivot there again, and possibly into next, or might get as far as 137. At which point I think we might more roll over. Okay, into the summer doldrums. I think out of the US and Europe, I think the US is going to be the first to raise their rates. So that could prove to be the winner in terms of this move. This is a bear flag, but I think we need to retest either this 136.60 or this upper level before we are ready to potentially roll. Okay, that's Euro US. Euro Yen is inching up and not doing a whole great deal. This is probably one of the best instruments to trade in the Euro session, but not in the US session, not overall. This Euro Pound, I accidentally, don't ask me why, but I got posted a misinformation today. I called this along, and no way is this along. This is potentially going to drop right out of the picture here. Let me be a bit more specific. I think this could drop all the way down, back down to 78. This is the euro pound, sorry. So we start falling out of here, or any higher that's to be shorted, and that is potentially going to drop. Let's look at the Aussie US. If we see a pullback to 93.70, sorry, it's gone to an hour because I put the alert in the hourly chart. I still think this has got a lot further to go. That's a tough one to know where to buy that. I mean, if we were to see that level again, then that's a buy. If we now look at the gold, I call this at 1260, and that has gone bananas. Absolutely bananas. How often do you see a chart like that? Not very often at all. And there was the entry down there at 1260. Okay, that's all I've got for you. Let's have a quick look at the stocks. That's an hourly chart, sorry. Valero, called that one a couple of days ago, linked in. I'm in this, just about break even. Keg, that needs a pullback. JP Morgan, that's on a key pivot there, key weekly pivot. I would prefer a deeper pullback than that. I'm going to get into that one. Goldman's, everybody's been talking about Goldman's, that's inching up, bit of a hangman there. John Deere and wheat is pushing higher. Okay, hope that helps, and see you soon.